Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Mimi.
And this is...
Miles.
And this is time for another professional mukbang show. This is the show where I eat something spicy and these guys watch, and I guess you do too. Today we've got the new adjustable heat. This is their Daebak. This is Daebak's new ghost pepper spicy cup, and spicy chicken cup rather. And here is what I've done with it. I've got some egg, some chicken, a little bit of spring onion, and a little bit of sesame seed. So you guys are home on midwinter break, huh?
Yes.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Yeah? That's good.
Yeah.
Well, you want to watch me eat something spicy?
Yes.
Okay, let me get this. All right, here is our practically jet black noodle. I'm just going to eat the noodle and leave this other stuff be for now. So we'll move that out of the way. And these guys will monitor. They will be the quality control at the end. I will ask them how I've done, and either they will say really good or horrible. So, all right, can I get a really loud and really crazy ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
So far, so good. Done? Did I eat all the noodles?
Yes. Yes. But you ate all of them once and again.
Huh?
You eat last one about it.
You want to eat all that? You want me to eat all that?
Yeah, you eat it.
I'm gonna let the heat go for a minute.
Okay, go ahead.
Ugh.
You can use a napkin.
Thank you. It's hot. It seems to be the same amount that was in their pillow pack version. It's more concentrated. You guys are being creepy.
Yeah.
All right, well, if you want a spicy one, this is pretty spicy stuff. And these guys are nuts. All right, this has been Hans. This has been
Mimi.
And this has been
Miles Wanish.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day. Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.